this video, we will review how to add questions to Beachboard. There are two ways to add your questions. First, we will build questions using Beachboard's Question Builder. First, go back to the Properties tab and select Add Edit Questions. You will be taken to a page where you can add questions using the blue Add button, followed by New Question. You will be presented with a list of question types. Select the question type you would like to add. For this example, we will add a multiple choice question. You will be taken to a new screen where you need to fill in the question and answer selections. A preview will display on the right side of the screen. You can add additional answers if needed, and you can select whether the answer options are randomized for each student. At the bottom of the page, you can turn on this feature. Input the number of points the question is worth. Each question type has additional options you can use with the question. For this example, enumeration was selected as one of the answer options using the Options tab at the right of the page. Select the Save button at the bottom of the page once done. You'll be taken to a summary page where the questions that were added are listed. Here you can add additional questions to the assessment. You can select the link at the top left corner of the page to go back to the main properties page. You can select number of questions per page, an option to prevent students from going back to the previous assessment pages, and an option to shuffle questions at the assessment level. You can use the program Respondus 4.0 to quickly upload your assessment questions to Beachboard. We will cover a quick way to use this program to upload quiz questions. For a more in-depth guide on setting up a text file to upload your questions to Beachboard using Respondus, visit the CSULB ATS website for more information. First, we recommend preparing a text document with the questions you intend to ask. The questions must follow a particular format. Each question must be numbered, followed by a period or parentheses. Place one space between the number and the question. Following the question, there should be one line space before starting to list your answers. Each answer should be preceded by labeling using the alphabet ABC, followed by a period. One space should separate the lettering and the answer. To indicate the answer is correct, place an asterisk in front of the letter. For some question types, labeling is required for the system to identify the type of question being asked. Questions that require multiple answers or essay questions must be identified by placing a type above it. For example, an essay question is considered a type E, followed by the number and the prompt for the question. Since this is an essay question, you can place a letter and leave it blank, indicating that there will be no answer uploaded. Another example would be a multiple response question, which is considered a type MR. For this type of question, you would set it up by first indicating type MR, the number, period, the question, followed by the answers. The difference here being is that an asterisk will go in front of each correct answer. You can save your document as a Word document or a rich text document. Once your document is prepared, you can load it into Respondus 4.0. Open Respondus and select Open or Create. Click the Current Personality drop-down menu and select Brightspace. Next, select Import Questions. Select the file type first and browse for your file. You want to create a new document and give it a name. Once done, select Preview, which will load the questions in the window below. Make sure to check this window for any errors that may be reported, then select Finish. You can select Preview and Publish at the top of the window to preview what the questions will look like. If you're satisfied, select Publish, then Publish Wizard. Now select the option to publish to a single course. Select the indicated drop-down menu and Add New Server option. You will want to add the server settings manually. You'll be taken to a new window where you can fill in this information. For this next part, you'll need to go to your course homepage. Copy the web address for the course. Go back to Respondus and paste it into Field 2. Next, press the Extract button. This will pull the server information needed to add the quiz to your course. At the bottom, enter a description for these settings, your campus ID and password, then select OK. Once you're back at the previous screen, select Next. Select the drop-down box under number 1 and look for the course you wish to add the quiz to. Under number 2, make sure you have Create New Quiz selected. All the other settings can stay the same and press Next. Wait for the program to say completed successfully and your assessment should be waiting for you in the quiz section. Thank you for watching. If you need assistance, contact us using the information on the screen.